All right, I've got a hunch that some of you actually searched for this video because you want to know how to make a good cup of instant coffee. Go to this time code. This is where I actually teach you how to make the coffee. Onto the video. All right, I'm starting a new thing where I like to read a comment from the last video just before this video starts. Okay, let's see. Rockhazibuddha7523 said, Among Us. You're kidding me, right? Okay, how many times do I have to say this? My name does not come from Among Us. My first name is Hugh, so Hugh Mungus. There was a meme about it in 2016. I came up with the name long before that meme. Alright, so everyone's just left the house, so now I can actually film this video. Look who it is. Bang. It's my dog. He's interested in the selfie stick. We're up here in my kitchen, and now I'm going to show you how to make this coffee. Oh, he's got the squeaky toy.
Yeah.
Jimmy, I'm going to put this on the table, because otherwise it's just going to make a loud noise in the video, okay?
Bang.
Sit!
No.
Sit!
No.
Sit!
No.
Oh, also I should go on the record, this is not my recipe. The recipe actually comes from this guy. I'll put a link to his video in the description. I've just been using this recipe for over a year and I thought I should share it with you. Okay, so the main things you're gonna need a kettle and you're gonna need a microwave. Yes, I'm pointing at the microwave. You're also gonna need instant coffee, and if you take sugar, raw sugar. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to grab yourself a mug. So what we'll do is we'll open the cupboard and we've got many mugs to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one because I don't feel like going all the way around. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to put the kettle on and that'll start boiling while we prepare this. We want to take a spoonful of the instant coffee, right? And then we put in a spoonful of sugar, like so. And then we need to top it up with a dash of milk. All right, we've got a bigger jug of milk. All you gotta do is pour it in. Then you want to slap this guy in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds and we should look in the mug. And yes, that's how it should look. It should look like the surface of Mars is on the sides. I think Jimmy's scared of the commentary. Are you scared of the commentary, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
No.
Oh, kettle's gone off. Kettle's gone off. So then, all we gotta do, you take the kettle and you just top up your mug and you should get a nice amount of bubbles on there, and you mix it around and it's all lovely like that. Now all that's left to do is let the coffee cool itself down. Is the camera getting lower? I think it's drooping a little. All you're gonna do is let the coffee cool down and then you enjoy it. That is a good coffee. Okay, Jimmy, I've finished filming the video. You can have your chicken back.
Bang.
Oh, I'm being attacked. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. Okay, the people who directly searched for this video, they're probably gone now. So, Jimmy and I are gonna end off the video.
No.
Subscribe for more content. Leave a like on this video if you want more tutorial videos like this. This is my more sort of laid back style of content where I just do whatever I want, not go, ooh, Minecraft videos. But I will see you in the next video. Adios.